Solving a quadratic equation, grade B question. Because you're not told what method to use, it can be factorised, which is grade B. You can use the equation, which is more of a grade A question. You can complete the square, which is more of a grade A star question. But let's just see what it does when you factorise it. Quadratic equation, if you're not told that the answers to a certain number of decimal places, it should be factorisable, be able to be factorised. So, and this one's not particularly difficult. We've got 1x squared, so we know it's x times x. We know it multiplies to give us 10, so we've got 1 times 10 or 2 times 5, not many options there. But we're told that it adds to give us minus 7. So we've got to remember that these both have to be negative. It's the only way you can add to get a negative in the middle and multiply to give you a positive value. Which one adds to minus 7? Well, let's not put equals. The minus 2 and minus 5. So minus 2 minus 5. If you got that far, you'd have got 2 out of 3 marks. You then just got to realise that this has to either this is 0 or this is 0. So x minus 2 is going to be equal to 0, which implies x equals 2, or x minus 5 equals 0, so x equals 5. And there's your two answers for 3 marks. You can use the formula, and with a calculator you should, if you get good at it, be able to just type the values in there. So you're looking at minus b, so b is going to be minus 7, a is going to be 1, and c is going to be 10. So we've got minus b, so minus minus 7, minus minus 7, plus or minus the square root of minus 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10 all over 2 times 1. Now the one thing I will say if you're going to use a calculator is you must put a bracket around the minus 7 in the calculator, otherwise this will give you an error. It won't like it because minus 7, let's just see what that does, minus 7 squared is minus 49, but it isn't. Minus 7 squared, which if you put it in a bracket and square it, is 49. Minus 7 times minus 7 is a positive value. So you've got to be careful there. You would end up with, if you did that properly, you'd end up with 7 plus or minus the square root. You'd have 49 minus 40, which is 9, all over 2. So you've got 7 plus 9, plus the square root of 9, which is 3. So that's your 5, because 7 plus 3 is 10. When you've got 7 minus 3 over 2, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. So you've got 5 and 2, the two answers. You can complete the square, but that would be taking a bit too far.